every part of me. It's soaking, and it's gone down my bloody trousers into my boots as well, so my feet are soaking as well. Hello guys, out again, and today I'm in the North Pennines, just out for the day. Again, obviously we still can't go wild camping. I'm in a little place called Carrigill. I've parked the car in Carrigill. It's a small little village in the North Pennines, and hopefully today I'll be going up to Crossfell. Just parked the car up, and I've just been walking for about 5 minutes. So the weather is not very good. On the way here it's been raining, so yeah, the weather's going to be on and off. The weather forecast is predicted to be getting better, but doesn't look too good. But nothing ventured, nothing gained, as they say. So let's get on with this. I've got a uphill bit, so I'll catch you at the top, hopefully. Catch you in a minute. We all need one of them, don't we? Especially going up hills. Should have asked him for a lift. Oh well, let's keep going. So there we are. Carrigill is there, and we've just walked up here. Obviously I'm here denoted by the "you are here," and then I'm going to follow this track all the way along, all the way down this way off the map to my destination. So that's the way I'm going. There's Carrigill down there in the valley. Just been hit by a bit of a shower, but I expected that because the weather's going to be trash today. But if you're a wild camper, it doesn't really affect you. Just get out and get it done. So I think I'm going to get wet on this one, but isn't that typical for a North Face video? Bad weather. So onwards and upwards. Let's keep going.
Can't get up alone, too heavy on my own. The world is moving on, I'm still standing here, searching for steady ground, a place to settle down. No reasons left to find. One day I'll change your mind, and it won't come easy, but I know it's worth the fight. And I will run across the rivers, anywhere with you. I won't give up, I'll take my chances.
Oh, that wind is very strong. Hopefully you can hear me. I have got a windproof on the GoPro. That's the way we're going. Up over the fell in front, just behind that tractor. Had a few showers. Let me just wipe the camera. Good to be out. Oh, Fudge is loving it. So, let's keep going. Found to be more rain. Found to be more rain.
And I know you can see it too. So keep me hanging on, and I will run across the river.
Wow, that rain and wind is relentless. It's coming straight across the fells, I should say. I can't use my lips, they're that cold. Oh, hang on. Typical weatherman. Let me just clear that lens again. Typical weatherman stating that the morning was going to be on and off rain, which is correct at the moment, but it was going to be clearing up, so hopefully it does. I'm just sheltering in a shooting butt at the moment. There's Fudge, tail never stops wagging. But yeah, I mean, I'm out now, I'm wet, so I might as well crack on to where I'm going. I've got a long way to go, but all the time in the world, I suppose. Even if I make it back in the dark, doesn't matter. I just wanted to say the reason I haven't posted anything for the last couple of weeks is probably about, I've just got over food poisoning over the last 3 days, and when I say food poisoning, I mean really bad. I'm not going to go into detail, but let's just say it was coming out both ends, and I didn't eat anything for I think maybe 5 days. It was that bad. So I was on the sofa. Every time I stood up, I just was going to fall over and collapse. So I just kept hydrated, kept drinking fluids, and just kept myself to myself. I'm at home alone, so it was just me and Fudge. But it was really bad, and I just, you know what it's like, you just want to die, and I did. But I'm over that now. This is the first time that I'm out. I still feel a bit queasy, but I am keeping up my fluids, and I am eating now, so everything's okay. So we've got the go-ahead now to get out, 4th of July. I'm not going to be going out on the 4th of July. From what I've been seeing on the news, on the social media, about the idiots that have been going out and just leaving their rubbish about 4th of July, every idiot under the sun will be trying to get out. So I'll probably give it a couple of weeks after the 4th of July, get out there once everyone's got over the initial phase. So yeah, that wind isn't going to ease, so I might as well just get back in there and crack on with where I'm going. So thanks a lot, guys. Catch you in a minute. What's going on? It's meant to be summer. Weather is just too bad. Just too bad. Carry on. As I get higher, that wind is getting worse. Horizontal rain. Fudgy's shaking, so I'm gonna find some shelter, sort Fudgy out, and head back. This weather's just unbelievable. That's what it's like, it's closing in. So I know there's a shooting lodge down here on the left, so we're going to go down there, sort Fudge out, have something to eat, drink, and then get back to the car. Fudgy's shaking now. It's unfair on her, so let's go back. It'll be typical my luck that we'll get back and the weather will clear up like the weatherman said, but it's 12:43, quarter to 1, and they said it was clearing up mid-morning. They obviously lied, never believe a weatherman. So I mean, as soon as I went over that peak there, the rain was horizontal in my face and it was stinging and I couldn't see where I was going. And then Fudge started to suffer, so I'm not pushing it just for her, because obviously she's got no she's only got her fur, and once that's wet she's knackered. So I'm going to keep her warm, keep her moving. I want to check what this is over here. I think it's an old mine shaft and it's got a lid on it. Let's have a look. Yeah, it is. Wow, have a look at this. Woo! Must be some old mine shaft. It's been filled in with rubbish. Obviously the farmer's been dumping crap down it, and they've put this cage over the top to stop people from falling down. Either a mine shaft or a mine vent for air, something like that. I think it's a bit too small for a shaft. Maybe it's a vent, an air vent. Right, let's get on. Let's get down to that shooting lodge. Alright guys, that weather is relentless. The wind and the rain. I've just found this shepherd's hut or whatever it is. I'm just sheltering out the wind. There's the view, but it looks no sign of clearing up. Everything, every part of me is soaking, and it's gone down my bloody trousers into my boots as well, so my feet are soaking as well. What can you do? You know, that's why we do it. My feet are piss wet through as well. So I mean, I'm gonna have a quick breather and then we're gonna get going, because I don't want Fudge to be too cold. At least when we're moving she's warm. But yeah, even me pants are wet. I've got wet-proof trousers as well in the day sack, but by the time I was going to put them on I was soaked anyway, so what's the point? So I think the next time you'll hear from me is when I get down to the car. So cheers guys, catch you later.
I can't get up alone, too heavy on my own. The world is moving on, I'm still standing here, searching for steady ground, a place to settle down. No reasons left to find.
Right guys, that's us back at the car. Fudgy's in the back, she's nice and warm now. I've dried her off, I'm giving her something to eat and something to drink, so she's happy. She'll get her head down on the way home. Sorry about the video, but as soon as I went over that ridge, the rain was coming at me horizontally and it was hitting me in the face. I wasn't that far off from the summit of Crossvale anyway. What I will do is I'll put a map up now and show you where I was before I turned round. Crossvale's not going anywhere. It's going to be there tomorrow, it's going to be there next week, so I'll do it some other time. when the weather's a little bit better. You know, that weather, well, looking at what I'm looking at now, you know, blue skies, it's unbelievable what it was like up there. But you know, we live and learn, and I enjoyed myself even though I'm soaked to the skin, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Look forward to my next video, which is going to be another giveaway. It's not a big giveaway, but I'm giving a few things away, and I'll explain that come in the video when I do it. Other than that, I hope that you enjoyed it. I've enjoyed doing it, even though, like I said, I'm soaked to the skin. I've got wet parts that I didn't even know could get wet. So I've got to drive home now. As soon as I get home, straight in the bath, sort my kit out, salt fudge out, and then that's it. So all the best, guys, and I'll see you next time. All right, thanks a lot. Bye bye.